Korean engineers from the Human-Centered Artificial Intelligence Robotics Laboratory have developed a giant robot named Bigman for military purposes. This powerful platform is designed to perform tasks beyond human capabilities, including heavy lifting, operations in extreme environments, and support for combat missions. Bigman is equipped with advanced actuators and a tactile control system that allows it to manipulate objects precisely, even in unstable conditions. Thanks to adaptive motion control, it can move efficiently, lift heavy loads, and interact with its surroundings in real time. The primary areas of application for Bigman include battlefield engineering tasks, casualty evacuation, demining, and operations in disaster zones. South Korea is seriously aiming to create superhuman combat machines, and Bigman is one of the first steps toward the emergence of true super soldiers of the future. In recent years, Japan has been actively developing robotic technologies, and a recent presentation of engineering advancements became a true sensation. According to Japanese media, several years ago, the country's armed forces commissioned the creation of a combat exoskeleton, a system designed to significantly enhance the physical capabilities of soldiers. After many years of research and testing, engineers unveiled the first working prototype, a giant robotic arm that will be part of the future exoskeleton. The demonstration of this technology shocked journalists. The arm is extremely fast and powerful, capable of lifting heavy objects and performing precise manipulations. Experts note that building a fully functional combat exoskeleton requires not only mechanical strength, but also advanced artificial intelligence systems and autonomous control. However, it is already evident that Japan has come very close to creating a new generation of military technologies. The Japanese company Kawasaki Heavy Industries is also developing a versatile humanoid robot that can be used for both military and civilian purposes. One such creation is the 8th-generation robot named Kido. At present, Kido is primarily positioned as a rescue robotic machine, although the Japanese military is already showing interest in the project. The robot stands 180 centimeters tall and weighs 86 kilograms. It can walk on various surfaces, lift heavy objects, and perform a wide range of tasks. Interestingly, Kawasaki has been working on Kido since the year 2015. On the other hand, many experts believe that now is the ideal time for robotic humanoids, given the current maturity of the technology. At the Osaka Kansai Expo 2025, Kawasaki Heavy Industries unveiled a futuristic vehicle called Corio, a four-legged hydrogen-powered machine controlled by shifting its center of gravity. Although it appears to be something straight out of science fiction, the capabilities of Corio are attracting attention far beyond just futurists. This machine moves confidently across rough terrain including mountains, forests, and rivers, making it ideal for tasks where conventional transport is ineffective. Unsurprisingly, such a platform is already being considered as a potential base for military operations, delivering equipment to hard-to-reach areas, evacuating the wounded, and conducting reconnaissance. At the same time, Corio holds great promise in the civilian sector as well, for rescue missions, expeditions, and even extreme tourism. The company DuPont has demonstrated the outstanding fire-resistant properties of its protective suit, developed for use in extreme conditions. The experiment clearly illustrates how the company's innovative materials withstand open flames, ensuring safety for those working in high-risk fire environments. At the beginning of the experiment, researchers test how different fabrics react to fire. Ordinary materials ignite instantly and burn completely, leaving only ashes behind. Then the testers expose DuPont's special fire-resistant suit to intense open flames. The most impressive moment is that the suit does not catch fire. It only becomes slightly charred on the surface while retaining its structure and protective properties. The suit is made from high-tech aramid fibers such as Nomex and Kevlar, which have exceptional thermal resistance. These materials do not melt, drip, or sustain combustion, making them ideal for firefighters, military personnel, oil and gas workers, and other professions with a high risk of fire exposure. And this Japanese robot looks like a real military tank of the future. It was created by self-taught Japanese engineer Hitoshi Takahashi. The Kabuto RX03 is a gigantic six-legged robot that resembles an enormous rhinoceros beetle. This colossal machine measures 11 meters in length and weighs approximately 17 tons. It can move on 6 legs and even emit steam from its head. The RX03 is not the fastest vehicle. Its maximum speed is about 7 kilometers per hour. It is powered by 2 internal combustion diesel engines and can be controlled either from a cockpit or remotely via a control panel. During public demonstrations, the robot can carry up to 7 passengers, and the ride costs just $2. Although today the Kabuto RX03 serves mostly as a show robotic machine, it is not out of the question that in the future, the Japanese military may take interest in such developments as prototypes for heavy autonomous machines. Engineers from the company Genworth have unveiled a next-generation exoskeleton designed for military applications, capable of enhancing human physical capabilities, increasing endurance and enabling adaptation to extreme conditions. What makes this development unique is its multi-purpose use. The R70i exoskeleton can also simulate age-related changes in the human body, allowing young individuals to experience old age. Weighing approximately 18 kilograms, it is equipped with motorized joints that create resistance to movement, simulating conditions such as arthritis, tremors, muscle weakness, and stiffness. An augmented reality headset recreates deteriorated vision and hearing. While this technology can be used to prepare soldiers for physical stress and extreme conditions, its primary goal is to promote empathy and understanding of the physiological limitations experienced by elderly people. Nevertheless, the R70i holds significant potential in the defense sector, from augmenting soldiers to aiding in the rehabilitation of the wounded and training in high-stress environments. Before you stands a gigantic 15-meter-long robotic snake from Canada named Titanoboa. This unique project was inspired by the prehistoric creature Titanoboa cerejonensis, the largest snake ever to have lived on Earth. It inhabited the planet approximately 58 million years ago and could reach the same length as this mechanical prototype. The main idea behind the project is to explore alternative forms of locomotion for robotic machines, going beyond the conventional use of wheels and legs. Titanoboa is composed of 20 separate aluminum segments, connected by hydraulic and electric actuators. Thanks to this design, the robot is capable of mimicking the sinusoidal motion of real snakes, gliding along surfaces with a high degree of realism. It weighs approximately 1 ton, is powered by batteries, and can be operated remotely or in a semi-autonomous mode. Some versions of Titanoboa have been equipped with passenger platforms, allowing people to take a ride on the massive robotic machine. It is also possible to install sensors and cameras, which makes the robot potentially useful for research or rescue operations in hard-to-reach areas. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Corio Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.